Differences between traditional agriculture and sustainable agriculture. 1. Traditional agriculture is based on long-established farming methods passed down through generations, while sustainable agriculture is a modern approach that aims to meet current food needs without harming future generations. 2. The main objective of traditional agriculture is food production for survival or income, whereas sustainable agriculture focuses on long-term productivity while protecting the environment. 3. Traditional agriculture relies mainly on natural inputs such as manure and local seeds, while sustainable agriculture combines natural inputs with carefully managed modern inputs. 4. Traditional agriculture may lead to soil erosion and deforestation when practiced extensively, while sustainable agriculture seeks to minimize environmental damage. 5. Traditional agriculture often depends on natural soil fertility, while sustainable agriculture actively improves soil health through practices like crop rotation and organic matter addition. 6. Traditional agriculture uses simple tools and low technology, whereas sustainable agriculture applies improved technology and scientific knowledge. 7. Traditional agriculture usually involves mixed cropping, while sustainable agriculture promotes plant diversification and efficient cropping systems. 8. Traditional agriculture often produces low and unstable yields, while sustainable agriculture aims for stable and reliable yields over time. 9. Traditional agriculture may overuse land and water resources, while sustainable agriculture emphasizes conservation of soil, water, and biodiversity. 10. Traditional agriculture may not be sustainable under high population pressure, while sustainable agriculture is designed to support long-term food security and environmental health.